Hello, my name is Dariusz Szostek and I am a professor at University of Silesia in Poland, in Katowice. And together with Professor Załucki, we are the editors from the monograph.
The future of the law is the best description of the project we have just done. Internet and new technologies will be with us for a long time, and we wanted to predict its future. So scientists from all over the world has prepared a research project, and the conclusions of this project are inserted in the book we have just issued. The book ends with conclusions and recommendations for the internet community. So I would like to encourage you to read this book and maybe join the discussion with us about the future of the law of the internet and new technologies.
International Research Project Internet and New Technology Law Perspectives and Challenge was special, prepared by docents of scientists from 5 continents: Australia, South America, North America, Asia and Europe. Joint recommendation for the UN IGF on the future of the Internet. Polish editors, international team, prestigious international publishing house, Silesia and Katowice. Welcome in UN IGF 2021.
The Mexican case proves that a discussion has been opened on whether or not to constitutionalize a right to digital justice. Policymakers should remember that even though such an outcome is desirable, digital justice will require extensive intervention and procedures designed to be carried digitally and not merely normative amendments.
The United Nations should examine the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights for their content for the use of AI in the field of justice. The United Nations should develop globally applicable standards and elaborate recommendations for possible additional norms. These are intended to help ensure that AI can unfold its beneficial effect on the law while keeping the risks manageable and eliminating unacceptable risks by banning certain forms of AI or by prohibiting the use of AI in certain judicial scenarios.
My name is Fryderyk Zoll. I am professor of law at the Jagiellonian University and the University of Osnabrück in Germany. In the book Law and Internet, I have written a chapter on the legal tech and legal services. We will face here in this area incredible changes. The profession will be challenged to reshape its way of operation, the rules of ethics, and also the legal education must be completely revisited and possibly reformed. I hope that this book and this chapter will help to start the necessary discussion in Poland, in my country, and we are a little bit too late. And it is necessary to launch the process of the adjustment to the future. Thank you very much, and I wish you a pleasant reading of the book.
The most concerning problems in the context of the use of artificial intelligence tools by financial firms may arise because of the opacity of AI models used, and especially opacity resulting from complexity of machine learning models, as well as corporate secrecy. Therefore, regulation should focus on mandating transparency of corporate practices and explainability of models used.
I am Professor Doug Surtees of the College of Law, University of Saskatchewan in Canada. I recommend that the United Nations develop a rubric of internationally accepted standards of lawyer technological